Hello, today we're going to do a spark plug test, and in this video I will show you how. Well, hello and welcome to my video. Today we're going to do a spark plug test, but today we're going to do it in a different way. Right here I have a spark plug tester checker. This one is a 90-degree inline injection spark plug checker. This one is a very simple thing. This one you can check if you have your spark plug, and if you spark and your spark plug is running right. Now right here you have a boot that is a 90-degree. You can also buy the one that are straight. And right here you have a wire, and right here inside you have a little light. Now right here you're going to connect your spark plug boot on this side right here. Now keep your hands away when you do this job. You don't want to get shot from the spark plug electricity, okay? But this one is gonna be really easy. Remember, sometimes when you remove the spark plug, and especially when you reinstall the spark plug on a GY6 150cc Chinese scooter, it's not really so easy because the spark plug is on the side way. So sometimes you miss the way you put the spark plug in and you unthreaded the spark plug location. So if you unthread the place where you put the spark plug is a big problem. So having this one will avoid to remove the spark plug. Now even if every 3,000 miles you have to remove the spark plug, clean it or replace it, that's something different. But if your scooter is not working because you don't have spark, right here you have the solution. This one is a $5 to $7 solution that you can buy at Harbor Freight or you can buy it online, and it's a very easy thing to manage. At this point I'm going to show you what to do with this one right here, and let's do it right now. Now the first thing you should do all the time when you work on your scooter, make sure you place your scooter on the center stand, okay? Now the spark plug of your scooter right here on a GY6 scooter is right behind this door right here. You have a Phillips screw right here, just remove it and you're able to open this little door, okay? Now opening this little door, on the left side right here you're going to see your spark plug, okay? It's right here on the left side, and you have the spark plug boot. Now be gentle with the spark plug boot because they're not really high quality and they can break inside. They have a little clip, and that clip is like that. If the clip breaks inside or get bent, later will not hold the spark plug anymore. So that's a little something. You can change it. You can place a better quality like an NGK spark plug boot. Those are better quality. But if they work, do not touch them. That's what I learned with the scooter. If something works, do not touch it. So right here we have the little tester or spark plug checker. What we're going to do, you see, this one is very easy, very simple. There's a little light bulb right here that is going to blink when the spark plug is going to fire. If it doesn't fire, this one will not light. So it's super easy. So this part will go on the spark plug boot that you have on your scooter. Now you're going to remove the spark plug that is inside here, spark plug boot, by pulling straight out. This is the spark plug boot that you have in your scooter right here, and you're going to place this one inside here, the part that is silver on this one, and we're going to put the part right here that is the boot on your spark plug, okay? Now sometimes this one they don't fit because they're made in a larger size for cars, okay? But if not, just keep it like that, pressure, okay? A little pressure, but do not keep your hands in here because there's gonna be a lot of voltage going here. So if there's a lot of voltage, you can get shot by the voltage right here. So do not touch it, okay? So the other side, we put it inside with the little boot, and this boot right here, that's your boot, we're gonna place it over here. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to start the scooter. So we're going to see if this light is going to blink. If this light is going to blink, that means you have a spark. So you're already one step ahead. If you do not have a spark, this problem could be that your pickup coil is not good, and this problem could be maybe the CDI is not good, or maybe there is the connection at the coil that they are not good. So there could be many things. But this one is a spark plug test that you can do with a little spark plug checker, and it's really easy. Now keep your hands away from this part right here. That's very important. You're gonna put the key inside your ignition. You're gonna turn, and you're gonna try to turn on your scooter. If your scooter starts, you're gonna see a blinking light at the center part right here, okay? Now when you do this test, I want you to keep your hands away from this part right here that is made of steel, okay, of the checker, because you could, you know, get a shot right here. So you don't want to keep your hands too close to this one. So just get this one kind of pushed together, let it hold in the way you're going to see if the light that is inside is going to work or not, is going to blink or not. That's really the goal of you, to see if the light is going to blink, okay? And how consistent is that light, that blink. Okay, right after you check your spark plug to make sure it's working, right behind there you have a lot of information of what and why is the reason of your spark plug not working, right behind this little container. So this one is a spark plug checker, and you can buy it at Harbor Freight, or you can buy on Amazon, and they have a little 90 degrees, or they have a straight one. Now sometimes for the GY6 scooter it's better to have the straight one, so you can go straight, because sometimes kind of like the spark plug on a GY6 150cc kind of hides inside there. Now this one will help you to eliminate the way that you have to remove the spark plug to check and see if you have a spark on your spark plug. Now this one will not tell you how strong is your spark, because sometimes when the two electrode, you know, between the two electrodes there is a spark on the spark plug. Between there you have the spark. It doesn't really shows you how strong or how consistent is the spark. So that's something you really have to see when you get the spark plug out, and have a little more eye vision with your spark plug to see if it's dirty, to see if it's old, to see if it wears out. So lots of things you can see on a spark plug. But this one will help you to show if you have a spark. Because sometimes you have a spark or electricity coming for the injection coil, but your scooter is not working. So you could have the light blinking, but your scooter is not starting. So if the light blinking on the checker, but the scooter is not starting, that could be the spark plug is not good anymore. So that could be something. So this one is a little toy that will help you to analyze if your scooter spark plug is working or not. So I'd like to thank you very much for watching this video. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Visit my TikTok if you have any chance. There is a lot of video on TikTok that I made, and I made a lot of shorts video on YouTube. So at this point I'd like to thank you very much. Subscribe to my channel, click that like button anytime, and thank you!